Hi there. In this video, we'll be looking at how to submit a leave request, how to view your leave history, and how to approve your team's leave requests in Projectworks. Let's get started. To create a leave request, click the New button at the top of the page and select Leave Request. This will open the Add Leave window where we'll fill in these fields. It's worth noting leave types could vary based on what's been set up for your specific organisation. We choose our first day of leave and our first day back. Our first day of leave is the first day where we won't be working, and the first day back is when we expect to be returning to work, not our last day that we're going to be on leave. Once the first day back has been entered, we can see how much leave we're applying for, along with our leave dates below. We also have the option to include a reason for taking leave. And if your organisation requires a special approval beyond standard approval, you can indicate that in the tick box. A couple of things to note here is that when you create a leave request, by default it will assume that you're taking leave for the whole day that you work. That number of hours per day are based on each person. For me, it's a standard 8 hours, but for others that may be 4 hours a day, and that would be reflected here. You can also change the number of hours of leave you require per day, and have different leave types on the same day. You may only need leave for half the day. Or you may want to take paid leave for half the day and unpaid leave for the rest. The last thing I want to cover here is that your region's public holidays are automatically accounted for in your calendar. As you can see, I have no leave for the 25th and 26th, despite them being within my leave request. If I hover over here, I can see that it's doing this due to a public holiday. Now, once all these fields have been filled in, I can submit my leave request. Now let's head over to My Leave Requests. And you can see the leave request that we just submitted is now showing. From this window, we can see all of our leave requests, view other staff's leave requests, as well as the leave calendar if we've been granted access. We also have some date range filters that we can apply here. From this screen, we can also create a new leave request. And for those of you that have integrated Xero Payroll into your Projectworks environment, you'll see this box at the bottom that shows your leave balance pulling through from Xero. To refresh this balance, you just need to click the Refresh Leave Balance button at the top. If you need to approve leave requests from your team members, you can see pending leave requests from this dashboard. To approve leave requests, you'll just need to open it and select to either approve or decline. And that's how we submit leave requests, view our leave history, and approve leave requests in Projectworks. If you need more information, feel free to check out our knowledge base on our website. Thanks for watching.